Fort Stevenson State Park is an experience like no other. Put yourself in the boots of the soldiers who came before us. See the history and touch the natural world around you. It's a quiet campground that allows you to slow down and get away from it all. The shoreline is marked by towering bluffs that lead down to sandy beaches. On a clear day, you can see for miles across the big water. You'll find yourself imagining what it was like to be here 100 years ago. We've even got a prairie dog town that will delight the young and old alike. Get a generous helping of local ice cream down at the gift shop on the water. Let the kids explore and burn some energy on the trails or on the playground. In the summer, a marina is the heartbeat of activity, with an annual ski show and countless hours of playtime on the water. There's no wrong way to make a splash, so try as many ways as you can. When the leaves turn, swap your swimsuit for a jacket and enjoy the crisp air right outside your camping cabin. Find relaxation as you walk the beach on a breezy fall day. On your way out, grab a souvenir to remember your trip. But that's not all. Come back in the winter to enjoy the simple pleasure of ice fishing. After all, it's about being with those you love, surrounded by nature in any season. So unplug and kick back at Fort Stevenson State Park.